Anybody looking for a good dishwasher, I know one. I have sometimes, alright. That has that thick John Firewash. That's real good. Ooh, that's good. You all right? Got them dogs flickering out here. What's up, Wally? What are you doing, buddy? Yeah, you wanna? Yeah, well, I was ready to turn up the music, but I got something. Oh, that's good. So warm it is, man. It's all right, Wawa. It's okay. What's the matter? What you got? Was Clyde laying in there being a hog or what? Huh? Was Clyde being a hog or what? Huh? All right, I'll hook him up here in a minute, Wawa. All right. All right, please. Oh, kill. What are you growling at? What's the matter, Wawa? All right, Wawa. All right, son. Everything's gonna be all right. Everything's gonna be all right. I'll let you in a minute. I'm advertising rigid. Yeah, good advertising, motherfucker. Oh, Cuz, walking. Chill out, Cuz. Chill out, boy. What is it? My laying in the doorway must be Tiny Wang. Yeah, she ain't gonna get up. She done had a tramadol. She ain't waking up. She's asleep. Her hip hurts. Her hip is hurting. She down with the calf, Wally. Walter, chill out, man. Chill out, dude. Walter, shut the hell up, will you? Hey, you gonna wake up the master. Gonna wake up master. He's gonna whip your ass. Walter, shut up. Quiet, not quiet. Look tiny in there, jacking with you. That shit is. Tiny. She ain't gonna get up, Walter. She's high. She's high, but then alright. Walter. Go down and just walk past the bitch. Goddamn, chill out, man. Goddamn, it'll be alright. It's bring it over. Walter, chill out, man. Shut the hell up, Jesus. Gonna get me in trouble with the boss, man. Think you have a dog at work? You know that. What prayer with you here with me, man? Just had some good steak. Check that. And they would do 11.49 a pound back when I remember Mark started eating those things. It was 99 cents a pound, whatever, man. God, dang, 11.49 a pound. You can't even order a pound anymore. We found some. I did it the other day. Got all ahead. Better than ribeye. I cook them when these were well. Maybe your niece needs to try some. Her and her husband. Make the goddamn pie. Take with me there. Turning towards money.